Hi, Paul here from the Open Mind Institute, here to tell you a little bit about the Summit Retreat. So this is going to be the ultimate wellness experience to attend in 2024. It's taking place over the space of 5 days at the breathtaking Sumigoi Palcall Ski Resort in northern Japan. So let me tell you about this tax-deductible experience that we put together for busy working professionals and teams looking to take their success to the next level in 2024. So in addition to the daily workshop that I'll be co-facilitating with Mark, you will receive this smorgasbord of wellness activities ranging from Reiki, Tai Chi, meditation classes, the traditional Japanese hot spring called onsen, and the list goes on. So if I've intrigued your interest, if you are looking for the ultimate reset in 2024, click on the link below, find out more, and I hope to see you at the Summit Retreat.